What's up, YouTube? Happy Monday and welcome back to the channel. This should be a quick video here. So in my I think it was yesterday, my video over the weekend, I should say, I poured some epoxy resin, light switch, outlet covers, double light switch covers, but I did them with alcohol ink. I did green, black, purple, and white. Okay, those were the colors that we put in here. I'm going to pop them out of the mold, but you know what? As I'm looking at these, they turn out awesome. As I'm looking at these, look how shiny. Squirrel. I think a cup with these colors would look badass. And I think I have a white rose vinyl sticker that I can put on it. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Drop it in the comments. If I make the cup, it'll be for whoever, available. You guys know how much the cups are. All right, anyways, let's go. I'm definitely getting sidetracked here. Let's pull these out of the molds and see how they look. That is so cool. Let me zoom in some. That is freaking badass, you guys. Look at that. Sweet. Now this one here you can use for if you have like the GFI outlets or the outlets with the USB chargers in them because they're more square. I'm always getting some shit on me, you guys. Always. It never fails. Let me wipe this off here. Every time. It's on one of these. Alright. So there's that one. This one's cool looking too. Let's see how it looks on the other side. So I gotta pull this off here. Sand the edges down. But that is really pretty. It just all depends what colors you have in your house. You know what I mean? This damn dog is always forever in here snoring. Alright, let's go. Let's do the double light switch. Like I said, it's not going to be a super long video. I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. And they're available. If you're interested in them, shoot me an email at princesscratcher@yahoo.com. Check that out, man. That is so cool. Alright, last one, y'all. Yep. My little snore box. He is a snore box. There we go. And they have to sit flat for, like, I like to let them sit for a week, so because they're still bendy. Because now I pulled them out of the mold, so they have to cure. So this is everything that we poured yesterday. I think they turned out freaking amazing. If you are interested in them, shoot me an email and let me know what you think. That one's really pretty. They're all really pretty. It's something different. Not everybody wants the same outlet covers and light switch covers in their house. And if you go to a store and try to buy these, they usually have plain colors. I'm sure you can find other ones. I don't know. I don't be buying them like that. But I am going to start making some for my house. So that's going to be cool. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. If you liked what you see here, subscribe, like, comment, share. Go back out and check out some of my other videos, shorts, and or live streams. And drop a comment. But let me know what you guys think. If I did a cup, I would probably paint the cup white. And then I would do white, purple, black, and green with a white rose. I'm debating. All right, you guys. Till next time, have a great rest of your Monday. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.